What's up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, members of the jury, the council? It is I, Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach, here on a beautiful afternoon, doing what they used to tell me they loved the most about my videos, were the walk and talks. Look who's walking and look who's talking. Look who's walking and look who's talking. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out walking and talking, and I'm coming to you today to share with you that it is day 45. Day 45 of 75 hard. You guys have heard me clamoring about this, 75 hard. I've been doing it, baby. 75 hard here in the summertime. I went through 4th of July, no bad food, no alcohol. No big deal. I did it. So yeah, day 45 of 75 hard. And as you can see, I'm out walking. And I will tell you the God's honest truth. On day one, I couldn't walk more than 10 minutes without being in excruciating pain, without having to sit on an ice pack, without having to be taking ibuprofen and Tylenol at the same time, which is very, very, very bad for your liver and everything else, to now, here I'm walking. Of course, I've been doing all my other remedies and everything else and being really religious about that. But the key ingredient of all this is the fact that I have been very astute about what I put into my body, right? No sugar, no alcohol, no wheat, no gluten, no stuff like that. I've lost a bunch of weight because I haven't been eating, but I've been eating good. So I probably lost like 13 pounds. My stomach bloating has gone down tremendously. I know my inflammation in my body has gone down because that's what's really attributing to the fact of my pain going down. So, it's not that it's gone, but like when I was walking the other direction, it did feel bad. And I was like, shit. But again, I was like, I made it 17 minutes instead of, only 10 minutes. So, and that's what I want to encourage each and every one of you guys is no matter what you're doing or where you're going, sometimes we want to see that big jump in whatever it is that we're doing. Like for me, I want my pain to be gone overnight. Or, I want to be speaking to millions of people tomorrow. Sometimes we have to really look at the fact, are we enjoying the moments? Are we happy? Are we healthy? Are we feeling better than we did yesterday? I'm going to change arms here for a second because I can't do that. I can't change arms. I have all these freaking gimbal things and I never bring them. What can we do? What can we do to become our best? That's why I decided to do 75 Hard. I'm leading a group here on Facebook called the 75 Hard Unstoppables. Providing coaching out of the goodness of my heart to raise the vibration of what it is that we can do. We think we're limited by so much that we're really not. It's only that we're limited by the parameters of our own mind. So if you think you can't do something, and if you tell yourself you can't do something, then you won't. But if you give yourself possibility, if you push yourself like somebody had a gun to your head or somebody had a gun to your kid's head, if you did your best like that every single day, just imagine where you would be 6 months from now. 3 months from now, hell, 45 days from now. I've seen transformations in people in the group in 45 days. No smoking, reducing their medications, feeling better, more positive, skin complexion clearing, blah, blah, blah. The list goes on and on when you invest in yourself and when you take care of yourself. But so many of you fuckers are out there running around on empty tanks, hoping, wishing, and praying something or someone is going to come into your life and change it for you. But the truth of the fact is the only person that's going to change is you. Stop fucking looking around at everybody else who you think has a solution or who has the blame. Take the responsibility for yourself. Get creative, get resourceful, get hungry. Blood, sweat, and tears, baby. If you want it bad enough, go for it. I was just hearing stories about entrepreneurs living like 10 people to an apartment. They're like, hey man, it's $100. We're fucking doing what we got to do. We're going to eat shit for right now, but we're going to actually fucking pay off later. We don't want to make the sacrifice. We don't want to leave our comfort zone. I don't feel like it, Chris. I never feel like it. You're not going to feel like it because you haven't been doing it. But guess what? Once you start doing it, once you start experiencing the results of what it is that you don't feel like doing, you start gaining those results, you start getting confidence. And sometimes we're focused on the wrong results. What is your daily goal every day? I want to wake up and feel fucking awesome and contribute to the world and be a great dad. Okay, did I do it? Yes. I'm not gonna give myself some metric. I want so many applause. I want so many thank you daddies to be able to validate my existence. No, it's not about that. It's all about the moments. I can't see a thing you guys are posting, so I'll have to go back and look at that. But what is it you guys are doing? We got to take responsibility for where we're at. I push myself. Everybody's like, you shouldn't do 75 hard, Chris. Yeah, but guess what? I've been doing leg exercises. I've been doing stomach exercises. I've been doing back exercises. My muscles are getting stronger. So maybe now it's not my ligaments that are holding my hip and my back together. Now it's the muscle. Sure, there was painful. There was 3 days I thought I was gonna have to have surgery right away. The pain transferred to my left side of my body and I couldn't walk from my truck to the gym. I got back in my truck and I went home. I'm like, babe, where's my cane? So, but for me, it's like, you know, when you've heard me talk about David Goggins, I'm not David Goggins by any stretch. I'm not James the Iron Man cowboy either. But in the true scheme of things, I'm going to get out there and push myself because I'm going to leave it all on the table, man. When my time is coming, I don't care if I have a heart attack and I'm going all out, then hey, man, I went all out. I don't want to just be sitting in a fucking chair going, oh man, geez, I got Alzheimer's and I didn't go out and live my life, you know, or whatever. I get cancer and I didn't go out and live my life. I was going to live my life tomorrow. 2 of my friends got cancer last week. 1 of my friends had a widowmaker heart attack. Do you think life fucking changes in an instant when shit like that happens? But yeah, we go tomorrow or someday or next weekend, or I can't wait for my vacation in 4 months to run away from my life for a week because I'm miserable, because I'm not doing the shit I'm supposed to be doing, because I'm not being accountable to myself. I don't hold myself to higher standards. So yeah, I'm just settling for mediocrity. Is that you? Is that you? I'm asking you. Do you love yourself? Yes or no? Are you putting forth the effort every single day to grow and change and pivot? Put the 1% rule into play. 1% every day. I'm growing. I'm out here walking. It feels great just to fucking walk. What are you taking for granted? Where can you focus your energies on more? Where can you share your gifts to make the world a better place? There's so many people out there hurting. Are you making that better or are you making that worse? Or are you not doing shit? Because if you're not doing shit, then you're making it worse. Okay? A lot of people out there hurting. Go out in your neighborhood, see who needs food, see who needs help. Go out there and make a difference, right? I'm your no excuses coach. I'm gonna put the phone down and go back to listen to my audiobook. But I just wanted to come to you guys with this live message just to say thank you for all your love and support. I appreciate all the DMs. I appreciate all the Instagrams. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm doing a bunch of lives there every day, 60-second reels. So go follow me on Instagram at Christopher Rausch. And go be sure to check out my site, ChristopherRausch.com. We got my group coaching launching September 13th. So group coaching launching September 13th. There's a place to fill out an application to be in that. I'm only going to take about 12 people at the most. I like to keep my coaching sessions or my coaching group small so it's intimate. And we gain a family out of that and we gain a lot of insight out of that. So anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for your support. I'll go back and read the comments, but let me know what I can do to support you. What videos do you want to see me do? What kind of topics do you want me to see cover? I'm going to be doing stuff more on men, trying to get to the bottom of getting men to be more vulnerable. So I'm speaking at a men's retreat in Cancun. So I'm going to be focused on men. So if you men out there are interested in talking to me about, you know, being more vulnerable and trying to drop the charade and drop the ego and all that other shit and still keep your masculinity, let me know. Let me know. Yes, I think that's Kimberly. Yeah, you know about that. Yeah. So here I am. You see me promoting it, right? So I'm doing my research, sweetie. All right, guys. I love you. Stay hard. Well, stay hard. Stay hard. Stay 75 hard. I love you guys. Stay unstoppable. Remember, it's you. You are the one who has control of your thoughts and your actions. You are the one who could change at any moment what it is that's not working for you. You are the one that's tolerating the bullshit in your life. You are the one that can change it. Reach out to me. I love you guys. Peace. I'm going to go enjoy my walk. All right. I love you.